Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. It's been a while. Yeah, today I am back. We are doing coated peanuts. It is absolutely delicious and it's very crunchy. Have you listened to the crunch? Just listen to it. It's so crunchy, guys. Yes. So if you're new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Please come along with me and let's do this crunchy, delicious coated peanuts. You are going to love this. You are all welcome. Right, to start, I have my raw peanuts. Take out all the bad ones that are in it, as you can see here. And yeah, so this is my raw peanut. I'm not using roasted peanuts, raw peanuts. I add some salt to it and some hot boiled water to it. Okay, it's very easy recipe, and make sure you stir it. Okay, so that the salt is really well incorporated, and allow it to stand for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, after that, you have to drain it. I've drained it nicely and I'm going to dry it. Okay, I put that into the tray and I'm going to dry it. Make sure it's fully dried, okay, before we continue. So while my peanut is drying, okay, I have 4 eggs. You can use 3 large eggs. This is 4 small eggs. And then I add some sugar. Okay, I'm using brown sugar, but you can use any sugar of your choice. I just love using brown sugar. I add some vanilla extract to it, okay, and I make sure I mix it nicely. So this is my wet ingredient. It's all done. So easy recipe. My dry ingredients, I have some flour, plain flour, and I'm going to add some nutmeg, this nutmeg powder, some milk, okay, powdered milk, and also some salt. And I also make sure that you stir it nicely so that it's well incorporated, and set it aside. As you can see here, yes, my peanuts is dried nicely. So all that we are doing is add some wet ingredient to it. Make sure it coats all the peanuts, and then you add some dry ingredient to it. And then we do this for about 5 or more times so that you have a considerable amount of coating on the peanuts, okay? So just follow along, guys. You are going to love this. This is a very easy recipe. Right, so as you can see here, I'm trying to split up the ones that are joined together. So as you're doing it, try and split them up, okay, so that it will just coat nicely. All right, so continue doing it until it's really coated. As you can see, it's all done. I love the coating, so I'm going to fry my peanuts, okay, on a medium heat, please. Not really on a very high heat. On a very high heat, it's going to burn and it's not really going to cook, because remember, it's raw peanuts. Okay, so this one will take a bit of time to cook. Keep on stirring it, okay, so that it doesn't get burnt. You get an even color. So as you can see, I am stirring it to get an even color. All right, so as soon as it's really nice color, and then I'm going to just take it out, but always on a medium heat. As you can see, it's all done. Just look at that, and it tastes amazing. You can see that it's very easy recipe. Just look at that, and it's really crunchy. It's delicious. It's so delicious, guys. You have to try this recipe and you are going to love it. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notification so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. I hope you've heard the crunch. Yes, guys, it's absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye. Don't forget to share. Bye.